All right, yo, we by Felker Park. I don't know if y'all can see that pretty good, but that's where we're at. Now, Felker Park's close to the Orville Trail. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go from Felker Park, we're gonna ride down this way, and then we're gonna see if we can find an entrance to the trail and hop on the trail and do a quick ride real quick, all right? So, let's get it. Oh, hang on. Let's turn on some music real quick. We got something going, but we can blast it down there. I'm on the bike. All right, let's get it. We'll try to get it in before it gets too dark. So make sure this thing is up so you guys can see everything. All right. Now on this bike trip, I'm going to kind of be moving a little bit because I'm working against the daylight. Go ahead and make sure this thing's on because it's notorious for falling off. Okay. And nice and tight. All right, look, there's the entrance right there. Boom. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get a ride on in here real quick. Oh look, it goes this way. So we're gonna go this way. So this is the way that goes to Orville. So we're gonna ride this way. Now hopefully the camera can pick this up pretty good because you know, it's getting dark, so I gotta be quick on this. All right. Now, see, being that it's getting dark, you know, it's not so lit. So we'll only do just a little bit of footage, I guess. And then head on back. So I'd rather be doing this in the daytime. As a matter of fact, what we'll do just a little bit. If anything, I'll ride it to the grid. All right. This is a quick ride. Should I turn on some light? Oh no, you can't even see this shit. Yeah. Not dark enough for all that. All right. All right. Night Rider. Got a little hip hop to listen to. Check it out. I think I found a spot where me and Leah exited, because I recognize all this right here. Like this trip might be quicker than I thought.
Or just keep it locked on 93.5 KDO. all day to win. 5K days can pop back in the day.
Got people out riding the bike.
Hey, it's BJ, buddy, and you know, I always tell you, if you get in an accident, call my friend.
Check 'em out.
Attorney Big Al at 1-800-HURT-123. But what you might not know is what kind of accident you can call them for. So Big Al, let them know what kind of accidents they can give you a call at 1-800-HURT-123 for. Car accidents, pedestrian accidents, you're on a bike and you get hit. You're bit by a dog. Bit by a dog, does that happen?
Yeah.
Recently, we just had a case now.
Goddamn commercials.
Sensitive area. Yeah, that is an injury. Do not want to
Sorry about the commercials, y'all.
injuries like that or any other kind of injury. We're here to help you.
All right.
The accident happens. Whatever happens to cause you an injury, that was not your fault. Call 1-800-123. Get you on the way to recovery. Deal with the insurance company so you don't have to deal with that headache. And most important of all, make sure that at the end of the case, you get paid for your injuries. So if you get injured in an accident, whether you're in a car,
Quick little workout.
you call my friend Attorney Big Al at 1-800-HURT-123. That's 1-800-HURT-123. Attorney Big Al, Attorney King Class.
It is so easy to get overwhelmed by debt, credit card debt, unsecured personal loans.
God damn, stupid commercials.
Notice when credit card debt is at its all-time high.
Shut the fuck up. Ah, see, look. This is the way me and Lee went last time. He got thrown off. I gotta remember this. Well, you know what? As a matter of fact, we're gonna go ahead and chop it up here because it's getting kind of dark and I want you guys to be able to see everything. This is where I got thrown off last time. And that way, it'll take me back to the beginning of Orville Trail. We had to go over the bridge. But since I'm running so low on time, I'm just gonna go ahead and head back and do another run in the daytime, and then we can cover the whole thing. This is just a quick trip, quick ride. All right, so we're heading back, get to the van, call it a day, go home, get something to eat, start editing these videos.